Hey guys, it's Zepam. How's it going? Today we're at, well, you already know, WHSmith to get some stationery for school. Because when we go back to school, we don't want to be unorganized. I'm going to go and grab a basket quickly to go all my stuff in. So let's go. So I found some keychains right here. This is a hairbrush and a mirror. And found this panda eraser, which is really cute. I might get that. So I want to get this one for my brother. But it doesn't, yeah. This is one I get for my brother. Because he likes to play football. So this is one I want one for my brother. So I really think that will help him. Okay. So now I will get this one for myself. Pretty amazing and cute, and I think it will really sit with my bag. So at the end we're gonna choose the bags. And ink jaw. Pretty nice. This is pretty nice. And for my brother. Okay, now what else? Yes, I have these at home. They're absolutely amazing. You just press that to get the pen here. Okay. So now that I've got that, I might want some highlighters. They're quite neon. Neon pastels. Then you have an eraser, which I really think I want to get. Get this one for my brother. So this is for my brother. This one is for myself. So I got this one. So I've okay. So I got me one. Oh, I want to get some rulers. My brother really wanted rulers, so do I. So I'm going to find some rulers that I think will be pretty good. Okay, we've got some rulers up there. Yeah. This is a ruler and calculator. Isn't that cool? Do you think we should get this one?
Which one do you want?
Do you think we should get this calculator one?
That looks cool.
Yeah. Which one do you think we should get, guys? I think we should get it.
Which one are you going to get for Zephyr?
The same one, and then we'll write our names on it. Yeah, it's the one I want. Perfect. It's absolutely perfect, guys, and it won't get lost because it's pretty easy. So, yeah, this is the one I want. Now, do you think we should go and get some bags, guys, or do you think we should get some notebooks? Okay, so guys, do you think we should get some notepads? These notepads, yes, that's one of the notepads, but we should get those. This is a journal to write away, but I don't think I need a journal because my dad already got me a journal, so I think I just need like a notebook. What's this? So I think I saw some journals down there because journals are pretty good, but I really have to get this one because when you're doing it. So guys, I decided not to get these bottles because we already have new bottles at home, which is really good. So let's get real. So I want to have these kind of lunchboxes, but I don't know if they have any more anywhere else. So I want this one for my brother because he likes football, and I think it will match with this keychain on his bag. But I want to still check if there are different types of them, and I might try again. We don't give up. Remember, guys? We don't give up. Oh, come on. Yes, I didn't give up. So now I want to check this consistency of it. This is really good. You can put something between it. Okay guys, so this is really good. It's got more space than my old lunchbox. But I want to come back to this because I want to see if there are any more. I don't want to get the wrong one and come back. Okay, I want to get some Sharpies just in case for school. So guys, I already got pencils, and WHSmith usually always has Sharpies. So I don't know where they are. I'm going to keep them. Come on, let's go. Yes, Sharpies. I found my perfect Sharpies. My Sharpies are so good to me. They're security protected, amazing. Do you think we should get one for my brother? Of course. Let's get. So this is myself. two of these. One for my brother. I got one for Christmas, but I lost it and scattered all over. Matthew usually puts everything he sees in the bin, so I have a petition that he put it in the bin. So I put those here. I found some Elmer's glue. Me and my brother really got some books, and I haven't got this one at all. Let me just see. I don't think I have any patterns. I've definitely got this.
You do have it.
Let me see this one.
What's the title of that one?
Biscuit bands and very big clouds.
You don't have that
I
one.
don't have this one, which is quite good. I'm not gonna put it in the basket yet. These, look at these extra special treats. Let me see. Yes, I've got this one. Let me see this one. I definitely haven't got this one. This one. That's no maybe super good because I really wanted this. What monster? Tom Good's big book of fun stuff. I haven't got this one. Treehouse Storybooks. Treehouse Storybooks. Who would have missed that?
Let me get it for you. I'll get it for you.
No, so we have them at home.
We have them.
Yeah. So we have this one. Oh look, Megan. This one that I have not got. I definitely have not got that one either. Haven't got this. A tiny bit lucky. Have not got this one. These are the books I have not got. Just get 4 of them. 4 of them. Okay. Which ones do I really do stories to? Which I don't want to just be wasting my time doing things that Tom Gates does and just waiting for art and crafts. So basically, what monster? So as well as that, I absolutely love these kind of books. So I'm gonna put these in the basket now. So now I'm thinking of some books to get my brother. I don't know what I'm going to get him. But I'm going to think, let me just check around for, oh, this one looks good, but. So, I'm thinking of getting Zeffy books, but guys, Zeffy already has a collection of books because he hasn't read any of them, he's only read one. He's still on the first, and it's so slim, very slim. Okay, I think I'm going to put, one of my books back because I really want to get one of these rolled with David Williams because I love them. I've seen them. So with warning, 10 terrifying tales within. Okay, this is the horrible teachers. I've seen this one online. This one, the worst parents. This is the worst children. So guys, I think this is the end of me. So let's go and pay now. But side note to get my brother books, so that's just I already got loads of books for him and he's still reading them, so I don't want to disrupt his reading to go on his new book because usually he can be very so let's just go. We're just gonna go and pay now and go home.
Look,
Go and pay now. Back home now. I've got my brothers and stuff and his bad as me. So do you guys want to be my brother? This is him. Hello, Zena fan. So guys, coming to our school supplies in the bag. I put mine in here. My brother has 3, which is pretty good for his school. I've only got 2, which is quite unfortunate.
Wait, wait, 3 for what? How many things do I have?
3 zip.
Oh,
Yeah.
I know what you mean. 3 zips, like 3 zips on my bag. I didn't know what you were talking about.
Actually, I think you could have 4. Yeah, he has 4, guys. Isn't this amazing? 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool.
Nuh-uh. I got more than that. I got this one, this one, this one, this
Which
one.
is pretty full.
1, 2, 3, 4. See, that's actually 4.
How do you feel going back to school? Do you feel happy, sad, middle, or do you feel bored? Well, I feel middle, and the reason why I feel middle, so the bad part is, and the good part is, I'm going to start with the bad part. The bad part is that I'm going to miss home and see my brother every time, and having middle breaks, as well as that, we can have ice cream during our breaks, and have short time of work sometimes, and there's a little bit of watching TV in between. But the good thing is that I like to see my friends instead of Zoom meetings, because it's not like we're touching together and click. We're like this close, really, really tiny close. But I'm really happy we're going back to school.
I'm very happy about going to school, because the first thing is that I miss my friends. It's been 7 years that I've been at home because of the lockdown, but I think in 4 days maybe we'll go to school, because this is how I feel about going to school. I feel happy, and I feel just happy.
Okay, so what do you miss
And
at home?
confident.
So do you feel like sad when you go back to school, so you're gonna miss home just like me?
Well, yeah, I'll be sad, but I'll be sad, yeah.
So why are you sad?
The reason why I'm sad is because I am going to miss you. The second thing is that I kind of like when there's the word, guys, at school you do homework, right? And when I do homework, when they give us hard homework, when they give us hard homework, you're gonna be nervous that you're gonna get it wrong.
And plus, parents can supervise me. It's like my parents bathing me in the bath. But when I'm at school, it was like I'm getting out of the bath with my parents bathing. I'm at home, they bath me and they help me.
When I'm at school, I'm just like, oh my goodness, where am I? And when I'm at home, I'm finally at home.
Peace.
And it's lovely. There's peace in your heart. Peace.
It's not like we came for war. We came for war.
It's not just like that, because our parents do homework as well. Not homework, they do meetings.
And what?
Yeah, and work. And we do meetings.
Because the reason why our parents every single one of our parents do work is because when they finish their meetings, if your parents have jobs, when you finish your meetings, they get homework. Like when we finish our meetings, right, Zeffie, we get homework on our Google Classroom.
Yes.
I'm happy to go to school, my brother's happy to go to school, even our parents are happy to go about us going to school, because I think we're kind of stretching them out at home, because they have to do double homework. They have to do our homework and help us, while they have to do our homework. And my mum is really, really happy that we're going back to school. But overall, thank you guys for watching this video. We really like it. See you guys, fam. Bye.
Bye. Peace out.